Okay, hello. I'm about to present my week 3 and week 4 project. It is so late, but I'll still I'm still trying to do it. So first of all, let me go to the week 3 requirement. So I'm really bad on this. No submission. That's not good. Okay. So the get post and everything. So this is it. I should be able to get that. I created my own database, which is this one on um on MongoDB. Okay, that's taking too much time. And after that one, both post, put, and route collection contains data validation and returns validation. Okay, 500 if data are not met. Okay, so data validation. Let's go on that data validation. So there you go. Unauthorized. Actually, this project also have um the week 4 project, but let me do it though. So this it will be one video. I don't know why it's null. My name is null, but okay. Let me go first for the validation. Okay, I'll try to go to the put and post. So let me try put first. Okay. Okay. So if you put here and you put invalid transmission, okay, it will say yeah, the transmission is invalid because it has a format, right? Which is in my code. Where's my code? Here. Okay, so anything, I is it make, model year, color, engine, it has its own format, right? Or validation. Okay, this is my validator. Okay, so add more. Tell on that. Let also go on the get. Actually, put. It's requiring me put, right? Put. Okay, pause and put. Okay, let me go on the put. Let me get that ID here. All of the cars. Okay. Okay. So I want. Okay. What have I took? F5. F5. There you go. Okay. So if I will make it something like that, an error transmission, also not only transmission, even just this one invalid. Please correct the following validation. Body parameter string must be validation. Good. Hmm. Okay. Okay, there should be an invalid car ID format. Okay. So, yep, there's an error status there. Okay. Set the validation invalid car ID format. Okay. So this is it. As I'm saying, it should have some valid ID, right? If we make any changes on that one, 2021, automatic Mustang 210 4556. Okay, should work. Okay, put. Okay, that should be successful. Right. Okay. Okay. F5. There you go. It was updated and it's validating if it's done. So these are my uh the error handler. Okay. Catch everything. So that's it. That should be the validator and the error handling for week 3. I hope you will still accept my project. Okay. Um and yeah, this should be good. So for the week 4, uh the authentication part. I think I already did it, right? So validation, deployment, okay. So each project protected route. I think I just did it on the earlier part of the video, right? Let me do that again. Log out. Okay. And if once you do the iDocs, everything should be working. Yep, unauthorized. Everything is just should be all unauthorized. Okay. I don't have any ID, so I mean everything is just unauthorized. Okay. So that's it. That should be it. But once you do the login part, I need to change that now. Then I'll be able to get everything. Okay, that should be it. That will be my video. And yeah, I mean, I hope you will accept my third project. It's just been hard for me to do this assignment, but I'm still doing my best to cope up. So thank you so much, ma'am or sir.